wanna pray, but you don't wanna frustrate me. Straight from the gate, or you really gonna hate me. Fucking knife to the plate, I'ma cut you like a steak. Feel my ravenous taste till nothing but the fat remains. Be the fat to the maggots in your grave, motherfucker. This ain't no pre-trip, motherfucker, don't trip. If you dig it, don't dig it. I'm still gonna get it, yeah, I'm still gonna spit it. You will not nib it when I spill it, prolific, cause I feel no limits and I will leave you tripping. Don't think I fit in, cause I'm not, man, exhibit that trapping mumble rap shit, man, I ain't with it, nah, I'm never down in it.
Hey, what's up, YouTube viewers? It's Ravenous Rafael here, the Semper Fi rapper. And tonight, I bring to you what y'all been waiting for. Another Easy Mill collab with Screwface Gene. And this is called Righteous and Ratchet. Interesting. That's a nice name for a song. Righteous and Ratchet. There's a lot of contrast in that name. So let's get into it. Let's see what it's all about. I wanted to freaking hop on this as soon as it premiered. But I was working today, man, when it premiered, so yeah. Oh well, let's get into it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Yo, like I know that this dude right here, Screwface Gene, like I've seen, he does reactions also, and he's got a pretty big platform. I've never heard this dude rap, and I've never watched any of his reactions either. Maybe I'll start watching them, you know, and check out some of his music too. This is, you know, that's pretty cool, man. Hell yeah.
From the sand of a holy land, overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off, then it's showing up, came in righteous in the broken land.
Damn, dude, hold up. Let me restart this. I wasn't able to pull up the lyrics. I was looking for it on Google, couldn't find the lyrics. But yeah, I was not expecting that coming out of Screwface Gene. Damn. That took me by surprise. He's got bars. He's got some fucking bars. That's for sure. Alright.
I came from the sand of a holy land, overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off, then it's showing up, came in righteous in the broken land.
And it's hard for me to like really pick up on everything that he's saying and all the meaning right now because he's just going fast. But I did notice the rhyme scheme that he drug out for like what, 8 bars maybe? And it was an OA rhyme scheme. You know, holy man, throwing hands, all that stuff he was saying. He drug out that rhyme scheme for like 8 bars at least. That's impressive. That, you know, that's impressive. Very impressive. It's hard to do that. To drag out a complex rhyme scheme like that. It's hard to do that. Believe me, I know. I've been putting in a lot of hard work with my writing too, and I can write some complex rhyme schemes too now. I feel like I'm getting there. You know, to where I could honestly do a collab with Easy Mill. I know I might get upstaged, but I feel good enough to do a collab. I really feel like it, you know. So hell yeah, dude. That's impressive writing right there. I like Screwface Gene so far.
They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's showing up, came in righteous in the broken land. Quit all of that chittin' and none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the storm. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings, so tell them fuck.
Dude, this is like, I like his flow a lot, dude. He's fucking dope as hell. He's killing it. Now, like, I know I can write some complex rhyme schemes, but damn, dude, that's a complex flow right there. Wow. I gotta rewind it again. I want to hear it again. Like, I'm too busy jamming, and I'm also distracted by the video. I want to really try to catch what he's saying here.
Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the storm. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing it.
Okay, I did hear the... Yeah, it's basically about being righteous and Ratchet, so... I heard him say where he came from all scraps, you know, and some other things. I get where he's coming from, you know. Pretty sure I get where he's coming from. It's just, it's hard to, like, I just wish I could be looking at the lyrics right now. Because I gotta hear this shit, like, a bunch of times for me to really, like, he's going a little too fast for me to catch everything he's saying right now, just by listening. And I'm not going to keep rewinding it over and over again. So, alright, let's get into Easy Mill's part here. Screwface Gene, bro. He's got some freaking bars, bro, for real. And he's got that crazy fucking flow going on, too.
There's an army in the village, but I run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm killing y'all bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up, we block, we running you down. Now
Yeah.
you murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter. We the SMS, the sign, and we deliver like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
Out of that chat, we can be right to the rest. See, bitches be talking.
I fucking love Easy Mill, dude. He's so cool. Hold on, I've got to hear Easy Mill's part again. That was freaking dope as hell. That really was. He's got so much fucking swag.
There's an army in the village, but I run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm killing y'all bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up, we block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter. We the SMS, the sign, and we deliver like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
Out of that chat, we can be right to the rest. See, bitches be talking, but bitches be.
Yeah, it's even harder to catch what Easy Mill's saying right now. He's going even faster. It was just like blah, 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 blah. God, I wish I had the lyrics. Shame on me. I'm a rapper myself. How could I be missing all this shit? I should be picking up on it. Boo!
We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right right to ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We keep it right to ratchet. Hey.
Shit up this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping on down for a pool of the soul. So y'all see it.
Hey, we keep it right to ratchet. I came from the bottom with people installed. We keep it right to ratchet. Hey.
Shit up this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping on down for a pool of the soul. So y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go and set up a pole. They snake up Medusa, let's set it in stone.
What do you say? Would she pay for the poll? What?
That a fiend can sip, but the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping on down for a pool of the soul. So y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go and set up a pole. They snake up Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know.
He said something like, y'all thinking she righteous, but she hit me up about, and then something about, I think he said paying the poll. I don't know. It's but he's talking his shit. He's talking his shit for real. So yeah, like, I really like that hook too. The hook. This is a very good collab so far. I'm feeling this song for real. I'm definitely gonna be bumping this on the way to work and stuff. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. This is a great collab right here. They should do another song together. They should. I like them together. They I think they're good together. Hell yeah.
Some secrets that's never gon' show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, eat lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that stupid.
Dude, I love that. Check out that flow switch, man. Hell yeah, dude. This guy's really advanced. He freaking knows what he's doing. Screwface Gene? How come I've never really, like, heard of him? The only time I ever saw him, the only time I ever saw Screwface Gene was when he popped up on my news feed, my YouTube news feed, because he just showed up on my news feed. I mean, I don't really, like, watch a whole lot of reactions. But I guess, like, because YouTube knows that I'm a reactor and I do reaction videos, I guess it's like suggesting other reactors on my newsfeed. So, but yeah, and that's when I saw Screwface Gene, but I didn't ever actually take the time to look into him. He's freaking good, man. Hell yeah, mad respect, bro. I dig it.
They snake up Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gon' show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, eat lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that stomp on our heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and then set up your store.
Quit all of that. All that chat. We got the right to the rest. Some bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We keep it right to the rest. Hey, hey. We keep it right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in stop. We keep it right to the rest.
Wow. What? Look at this. Screwface Gene featuring Tech 9 Antisocial. He was with Tech 9 too. Okay, he collabed with Tech 9 also. I don't know how new that is because I used to fuck with a little bit of Tech 9 now. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I'm a huge Tech Nine fan or that I got real deep into Tech Nine, but I used to fuck around with some of his shit. You know, I was like 1 foot in and 1 foot out with Tech Nine. So, and I just never heard. I never knew about that. So that's cool. Okay, I'll probably check that out too. I don't know if I'm gonna react to it, but I'll definitely check it out. For sure. That's what's up, man. Yo. Great collab, bro. And I gotta tell you, like, my favorite thing about the whole thing, the whole collab and the whole song is like, they were just back and forth, back and forth. Like, I honestly lost track of, like, the verses. I lost track. Because how many verses did each of them have? I kind of lost track. They were kind of going back and forth. I'm like, damn, they're just like going at it, back and forth, killing it. You know, it was really cool. And I loved how in the video, they seem like best friends. You know, they seem like they work really well together. You know? And I'm totally feeling that. That wasn't I just saying like, hey, these two guys, they go good together. They should do more collabs. You know, fuck. They could be like in Screwface Gene and Easy Mill could be like Eminem and 50 Cent. You know, because Eminem and 50 Cent do a lot of songs together. So, hell yeah, man. That's what's up. They really look like that they were enjoying, like, doing this song together. And making the video. They really look like they were enjoying it. And I'm pretty sure they were, you know. Great collab. Great collab. I really enjoyed that. I hope y'all were able to enjoy my reaction. And thanks for watching and thanks for your support. And yeah. Have a good night, people. I love y'all. Peace.